Hey guys, today we're going to run on how to check removed messages on Messenger. And let's say, for example, that we tried heading on over to our Messenger application, and let's say we are going to archive these chats. And in order for us to do that, we're going to have to long press on that chat and tap on the archive. As you can see, that chat is no longer located here on the messages, but we are going to have to tap on the three lines, and then we're going to tap on archive in order for us to unarchive that specific chart, in which we're still going to have to long press on it and unarchive it. Another thing is that in the case that you did, let's say, delete any of the charts here, we may have to tap on the three lines and then tap on the gear icon. Then we're going to scroll down until we see Meta Account Center, and we are going to tap on See More in Account Center. From here, we are going to tap on Your Information and Permission, and then we're going to tap on Download Your Information. From there, we're going to tap on Download or Transfer. We're going to choose the account that we are logged in our Messenger application, and we are going to tap mostly on Messenger since we want to download the information that is in Messenger so that we may be able to find even the deleted chats that we might have deleted by accident or might have deleted them because we maybe didn't want to be associated with them, or there were some bad things that they were doing. And let's say we wanted to remember some specific chats that we had written to those people and we wanted to remember them. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.